Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to share with you this gorgeous paper that I'm having a hard time not getting every single glare in the world and blinding you guys on, but it is so stunning. This is coming out in the new January to June mini catalog, and this is in the Always in My Heart suite. You'll see that here there's actually 2 packs of different papers here. One of them is the Love You Always foil sheets, which are these 3 up here. And there are 6 total foil sheets in there, 2 each of the 3 colors. So you get a total of 6, 2 each of the 3 colors. And the 3 colors are Blushing Bride, Rococo Rose, and Sahara Sand. Now this one here is actually the Love You Always Specialty Designer Series paper. And again, this you get 12 sheets for each of the 3 designs. And again, we have Blushing Bride, Rococo Rose, and Sahara Sand. So I just wanted to share those with you so you could see all of the shine and the detail. And then I'm going to set those aside and I will show you this on a full sheet so you can see the full pattern. It has that fabulous copper in it, and it shines and shimmers so much. This, is Blushing Bride, so it kind of has that pink tone to it. But this one, Rococo Rose, has a very pink mauve-y tone to it. And this one is it's just absolutely stunning with that foil and that print. And then the last one here is Sahara Sand. And I think this one is just absolutely gorgeous. I think it would go great for a real good masculine card, whereas the other 2 might be a little bit more of a feminine card look. But I think this one would go great with the masculine. I do want to say that all of the back sides are Whisper White. So they are a one-sided piece of designer series paper because of that foil that you see. So let's bring them all back in. Again, these are in the January to June mini catalog, and this is the Love You Always foil sheets and the Love You Always Specialty Designer Series paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed a full spectrum of seeing these and seeing all that shimmer and shine on it. I'm trying not to blind you as I'm blinding myself as well. Let me know which one your favorite one is, and I can't wait to see some projects that you might do with them. I'll be sharing some that I'm doing very soon. Don't forget to check out some of my other designer series paper reveals that I am doing for the January to June mini catalog as well as Celebration. Both of those start on January 5th, and I'm so excited and can't wait. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and happy stamping!